And when I reminisce about my life, all I could ever think of is how blessed I am that despite not being born to a rich family, my parents gave their all for us to have the best childhood and the best life. My parents provided us with my needs, wants, and even so much more. They were so supportive of my academic and extracurricular activities. In short, they are the best. So in return of their sacrifices, I also did my best to be diligent in my studies. As said, I was a consistent top performing student throughout my academic journey. And after my senior high school immersion, where I did my very best to excel, I was absorbed as an office secretary where I am working until this moment. Gikan pa dyan ko sa office ron. Mo na natatawaran dyan tagabot. But anyway, that was my life. I am working at the Diocese of Tagbilaran as an office secretary, and I've been working there until now and until the future, hopefully. And working then as a student secretary, it helped me sustain my college needs. However, life didn't go as I had expected. A few months after graduating from college, I found out about my pregnancy. Soon after I married my longtime boyfriend. My high school sweetheart is now my husband. But please lend me your ears on this one. Paminaw! Paminaw! I know that at your age, you're all excited about romantic relationships. Trust me, niagi jud ko ana, saksi ang tanan walls and corners sa VIP sa among relationship. And, tinuod, makakilig jud og nay manguyab, makakilig og nay panguyaban, samot ang nay ka-late night talks, and even samot ang sugton na makaingon jud tag sumakset. But seriously, my dear juniors and seniors, life does not only revolve around that. There's so much more to life than uyab-uyab. And at your age, you still have a lot more to realize, a lot more to learn, and a lot more time to prepare yourself. So that when the time comes, na ready na mo di na mapungan ang uyab-uyab, you know what to do. And you know the purpose of these relationships. It's normal to feel kilig and to feel love. It's the same as feeling sadness, feeling disappointment, and feeling excited, just like tonight. So just feel it all. But remember that feelings are fleeting. Dali ra mausog ang atong mga gibati karon. That does not stay forever. But why did I say all of this? Because reflecting on my life decisions, I admit, shamefully at that I rushed everything. Gadalit na ko when I had all the time in the world to relax, to just be my parents' daughter, na Disney princess kaya sa balay, to just enjoy my salary without responsibility, and to just fangirl over Daniel Padilla and SB19, nalingaw na utakay kong suroy-suroy sa Manila ron. But I chose to be in a serious relationship na nagbunga og sweet nga baby boy. Imagine we were boyfriend and girlfriend for 9 years before I got pregnant. Our marriage preparation took us only a month. Usa na may kabuan to prepare for our wedding. We were so sure. We are so sure. It's not past tense. And a few days before our 10th anniversary ko nanganak. And some of you might say that also me, I thought that 10 years is long enough to get to know someone. But let me pop your bubble at that. It's totally different when you live with someone as a married couple. Lahi ka dyan. So make sure to prepare. for that situation. But to be clear though, I did not regret becoming a wife and a mother. I think it's the perfect age, but the timing wasn't right. However, my son completed me in so many parts that I didn't know were missing. He healed me. He healed a heart that he didn't even break. He is my ball of sunshine. He is my compass that gave redirection to my life. But whenever I imagine about my past, I always thought that I could have done better. I could have been more prudent in my decisions. I could have waited to find a job and fulfill my dreams of giving back to my parents. I could have waited to find a job that would sustain me and my family, that would make me financially stable before building a family. But this is my life now, and all I could ever do is reminisce, imagine, and reflect. But on the other hand, this is also my life now, and I found a new reason to work harder and keep going. So therefore, my dear juniors and seniors, in everything that you do, make sure that it will lead you to the life that you dream to have. Remember, we only have one life to live, so don't be afraid to explore, excel if you must, and grab every opportunity that will lead you to growth and success. Do not let your fleeting feelings hinder you from achieving your goals. Challenges, failures, and obstacles will normally come along the way. So just believe, persevere, and in time, you'll surpass it all soon. But most importantly, leave no room for regrets. Nanginaot ko nga kung kamo na sad ang mag-reflect sa inyong kasinatian pohon, maghanduraw mo og malipayon nga kaagi, o ilabi na maghanduraw mo sa inyong kalampuson. Live in the moment, but put in mind that these moments will shape your future. Again, live in the moment, but keep in mind that these moments will shape your future. Dream and go for it with no reservations. As SB19 said in their song, Dam, paano ba wawakasan ang hindi sinimulan? Mananatili kang walang alam sa pakiramdam. Thank you.
It is quite mesmerizing to listen to such an inspiring message. Since we still have a lot of time based on my estimation, I will also share mine. During